Okay, guys. Good Tashiv. How you going? I'm going to break my rule here. My rule was only Irish language content, but not for this video, okay? I'm brazenly abusing the fact that you're all following me to promote my wife's new book, which is out now. I'll tell you about it in a second, but first, what I mean, her new book. She's got a bunch of other books out. Look at that one. This is A Good Hiding. This one's called The Unknowns. This one's called Every Sparrow Falling. But they've been out for years. Whereas this, Grapefruit Moon, has just been published last week. And it's class. It's a young adult novel. It's set in Belfast. All of these are all set in Northern Ireland. So that's a bit special. And here we've got issues of young people falling in love, dealing with matters of growing up. There's issues with social class. There's issues with our educational system. There's actually a warning on it. It says image-based sexual abuse. So this is not for your kiddies, right? This is older teenagers, and you're gonna love this. It's published by Little Island, which is an Irish publisher, and we're really excited about this. I know you're a grown-up, but you're going to enjoy this book. You can get it anywhere that you can buy books. Okay, enjoy. Thanks.